I don't need you to love me, I can love myself. I don't need you to want me when you're wanting someone else. I don't need you to worry, I can worry about myself. And I'll be okay, I'll get out your way. I don't know when you decided your friends were in this relationship too. Please let me understand why I've got boys acting like men, telling me do, like what you've been up to. Oh, why can't you just be true? I don't need you to love me, I can love myself. And I don't need you to want me when you're wanting someone else. I don't need you to worry, I can worry about myself. And I'll be okay, I'll get out your way. Where did the privacy go? The place, the space that only you and me know. Supposed to be me and you, not the mates of your mates and their followers too. Well, if you do it that way, then give me my Independence Day. I don't need you to love me, I can love myself. I don't need you to want me when you're wanting someone else. I don't need you to worry, I can worry about myself. And I'll be okay, I'll get out your way. Run away, run away, run away now. Get away, get away.
Cute. I know I had red last time. I'm gonna do red again, like the next time I get my hair done. I just wanted, something different. But yeah, I'm like super cute. And I did my nails. There she is. I'm just to clean up my closet because I've been real lazy about it, and summer is literally right around the corner, and my closet can't be looking crazy like this. So, where is my glass? Oh, I left my glasses out one night. Anyway, I'm giving away half of these clothes too because I gotta go shopping. I feel like I don't have as much clothes. Like, I only have gym clothes, and I don't like wearing gym clothes on regular days, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta go shopping, I gotta get myself together. I gotta get this closet together. It's a mess. Like, I just can't believe my closet always get dirty, like, because I'm in here all the time. I just don't know what to do because yeah, summertime is coming though. We to go get something to eat right now. Pick up.
Y'all, okay? Y'all don't have to come in.
I got
I'm Miss Family Dollar now.
my purse matched me, y'all. It matched me. Period. I don't like the way. It's like I need something to drink or something. I feel like I haven't talked in a minute. I haven't updated you girls on nothing. And I have a lot to say, like, it's just a lot been on my mind. And, I've been doing real good. So, I'm doing good, But, like, I don't know how to say it, but, like, I'm so grateful, though. Like, I'm grateful. I'm really, really grateful. Like, God is really here for me, Like, He's really here for me. He's been really protecting me, and I'm just so grateful for God and stuff. It's just so much. Like, you know. But I'm gonna be giving you girls an update really soon, but just stay tuned for like this whole vlog or whatever, because I'm about to go to Walmart and stuff and get a few things that I need and stuff. So just stay tuned for everything. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe so you can see more of me. It is good. All my favorite stores, yeah. All my favorite stores is over here. Like, I love it. And Skechers. You got all my favorite stores. I'm cooking homemade fries. Got all my fries. And then that's homemade hamburgers. And I'm cooking this for my family. I'm almost done with everything. Almost done. And yeah, and I put some good old seasoned salt on my fries. And yeah. Okay, so I got my chicken frying. Then I got my corn sitting over here getting ready. And I'm making green beans right here. I'm making green beans. And then I also got sour cream to add with my mashed potatoes. They almost done, so I'm about to like smash them down and everything. I was like, dang, y'all over here already took a bite of my food, but like, here's my plate. Everything looks so good. Period. Don't play with me. One thing about me, my mama taught me how to cook. Like, period. I already took a bite of my food. It is so good. Like, my corn is so sweet. Bread. I got me something to drink. Period. Don't play with me. I'm supposed to go eat, y'all.